Hello everyone, I have a quick haul and I even have a small project share. So I basically have some examples to go along with this. This is a Queen & Company haul. I did order the Wish Big Sentiment Stacker set, as you can see here. Really fun set there. And this all comes in the kit. So first thing, I received this really fun word die set. The outline also is included in the die set. Really cute. I also received, this is the Wish Big paper stack, and I didn't open it. Let's see here. 3 sheets of 24 papers. So kind of show you here. You also get this, it's a 16 style, 3 of each sheet, and it's all these fun cardstock colors. Get that one. And then you also get the little mini stamp set here. Really cute. It says happy, 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 calories don't count, enjoy. It's time to make a big, it's your special day, like it's your birthday, because it is. So you use the fun sentiment dies to go with the stamps. So really fun. So these are the sentiments: wish, party, and birthday. And I love that they have the outline with them. So really fun. I love that. Really cute font as well. Okay, and also I picked up this the round treat box die, and I do have some examples to share with you with this die. And then here is the bottom. So it's a good size little box. So really cute. So I had to pick that one up. And last, I did pick up the epoxy dots. There was 5 in this kit, and it goes with the Wish Big kit there. So there's the orange and the light orange, the 2 colors of turquoise, the 2 tones of pink, the 2 tones of blue, and the 2 tones of yellow. So really fun. I love that. And they kept it on this little thing to keep it all together, which I love that, so you don't lose them. And I did want to mention that if you don't know, that they do kind of like a reward system. So every time you purchase from Queen & Company, as long as you log into your account, they'll keep track of, you know, every time you purchase an order, it adds up with points. And so with my order here, you can see I received a $20 discount off of my entire order using my reward points. Definitely, if you haven't signed up, it's free to join. Definitely sign up for your for your rewards points, so that every time you make a purchase from Queen and Company, it'll add up and you can get your reward points. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that. It's definitely a good deal, $20 off the order. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that. And I will share with you some of the boxes that I created. Okay, so the first example is this really cute little treat box here. Here's the side, there's the back. As you can see, it's embossed. The paper that I use is a Recollections Valentine paper pad. They released a it's all embossed paper pad for Valentine's Day, and that's what I used here. And then here you can kind of add a different color for the handle. So that's what I did there for the handle. And I added some tulle and ribbon and twine up here. This little ice cream sundae is from the Sweet Shaker Kit from Queen and Company. So I just added that together. Then added some of these little sprinkles around it. And then here I added a couple little tags, and I embossed the little tags with the little stamp set. It says a little dose of happy and happy birthday. So I included that on the side, and that is my first box. So really fun. Pink and Maine bow, and it fits really nicely right on the box. So you can also fit a bow. This is the large bow, I believe, the largest bow that they have from Pink and Maine, and it fits nicely on the box. So really cute. And the second box, again, I used the Sweet Shop Shaker Kit from Queen and Company for the ice cream cone. I used my ice stickles here, and I added some stickles on the ice cream cone, and then also like little drops coming down. The dewdrops here I colored myself from, let's see, this little pack here I colored myself. There's actually 3 different colors in this little pack here. I added some ribbon and tulle and then twine here at the side. It also says a little dose of happy that I embossed on this little tag from Queen and Company. And of course the birthday is again from the Wish Big Sentiment Kit. So there's that one. And if you're wondering how big they are, the little boxes, that's how big the little boxes are. They're super cute. There's the sides. Really, really cute. And then this is the last little box that I made. And then I have 2 Halloween boxes. This one says Happy Graham, and it is also embossed in black. And then birthday is behind it, so birthday wish that I added here on the ice cream sundae or float, or even shake, however you want to call that. It's really adorable though. It has a little straw, if you can see the straw there. I added these dewdrops that I also colored myself. Added some of the ribbon and the tulle here at the top. This little tag is a Queen and Company die as well, and the birthday wish is from the birthday wish sentiments that I just shared with you. So there's that. And again, this is that Valentine paper pad. Really, really cute. It's all embossed already for you, and so that's kind of why I used it. There's the inside of the box. So you can fit quite a bit in there actually. It's super cute. Okay, so now I have 2 Halloween little mini boxes to share with you here. I was also inspired by the Queen and Company post that they did with the little witch hat. I thought that it was super, super cute, so I wanted to make one as well. The witch hat is from the Hocus Pocus Halloween shaker kit that they have on the Queen and Company site. I added a little star in the center, little pearl star, and that comes in the kit. The little bats was from a free gift that they gave, and then I added some holographic stars also on the box. So really, really fun. And the paper is also from the Hocus Pocus collection. So there is my little box. It's so cute. And last, I made this little bat that says Spooky. And the Spooky is also from the Hocus Pocus shaker kit. I just cut out, it had like a scallop around it, but it didn't quite fit on the bat, so I just trimmed around the outer part. Even though I think it's adorable, it just didn't fit on the bat. You wouldn't be able to see the bat at all, and so that's why I trimmed around it. And the paper again is Hocus Pocus kit, is from there as well. I added some little mini bats and then some dewdrops. And I like it because the yellow circle die that I used here, it kind of looks like the moon, so the bat is flying, you know, through the moon there. And this bat is not actually a die, it's from a Recollections ephemera pack, actually, from last year, from Michaels. So that's where the bat is from. But so really fun. So I hope that you enjoyed this little project share. It was a lot of fun to put these boxes together. And is the round treat box die from Queen and Company. It is super, super cute. And it came together pretty quickly. So really, really fun. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, crafty wishes. Bye.